Hello from Slovenia again. Sorry. I will do a flip cup today, and I will use silicone oil in my paints. I will use this pentart silicone oil, and I will use paints from yesterday. I did put 1 drop for an ounce of paint in every one of them, and I will just start layering my flip cup, and probably I will play with marble then. So first is Amsterdam titanium white, and the second one is cadmium yellow light, Artist colors, and vermilion, same brand. I used that in yesterday's pour, so I just added a few drops of silicone and decided to do a flip cup because I don't know, maybe it will be muddy, but because of this combination, but I want to do it. So, and the third one was cardinal red and dioxazine purple, and this one is alizarian violet. And I will repeat this process, so if you are bored with this part of a process, you can fast forward, of course. But I don't know, I really enjoy this part of pours too, so definitely don't want to rush, because you know, even though that we are filming tutorials kind of videos, we still had to enjoy in our process, so that's why it's great to have fast forward button if you don't want to watch this part. But I find it really satisfying, you know, see layering this paint on top of each other and they flow into the cup so nicely. I just enjoy this process, and I will add a little more white just on the bottom or the top. And I will flip this around and we will see what will happen. Just wait a little second or two, maybe. I really hope that I will not get a lot of mud out of this, so let's see. And I will do some flip and lip. Just grab some marbles, but I will have them here. Okay, so ready, steady, go. Awful job, because I just don't have enough paint, probably. You hear my duck? She's just bossy lately because she will have babies. she will have, I don't know. Okay, so I will tilt this first, and I will grab just something to have a kind of a corner catcher, because I want to keep the paint, because I think that I could have had a little more paint than this, but anyway, let's see. Okay, now we can go down. No, let's go to this corner first. Whoop. Okay. To the middle, and then I will torch that. Just have to get rid of this big thing here before I will even start torching or something. I will probably when I will use a marble, I will get rid of that white part, but you know, first I will just torch this a little bit, and then a little bit, maybe a lot, I don't know. Let's see what will happen. So let's look. I don't like my ribbon today, so definitely I have to do something with my ribbon, and I don't like this, and this will go away with ribbon probably. So I will maybe start rolling my marble through here and go through the ribbon kind of, and see what will happen. So let's see. Maybe I will change my mind when I will start, but I have to start somewhere. And I will definitely tilt some of this off too, so I have a caterpillar there that I really hate, so think that this will be my orientation. Then now I have to tilt this part off a little bit. So let's see. I will just try to walk. Hope that I will not just overstretch the other things. But I will go back, so just a little bit of this corner because just have to. Okay. Now back, walking back. Just want to get rid some of this off, and since the weight of the paint is here, I have to do it now. Okay, and back. To the middle. And I will just roll a marble through once more, because now I really think that I need something here. Let's go from this caterpillar cell here that I didn't like. Okay, and here let's start here. Okay, I think that I'm done. So this is now the final result. So hopefully, let me try to show you that way. You see all those small flowers with some orange middle because we bring some colors out with this finger dipping, you see. So just want to show you that you can play with this and just enjoy. So this was just an update